up well. Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce now steps forward.
Meteorological Service has maintained a hurricane.
Rise, Dutty Bongo.
Alright, welcome to the countdown now. Welcome. Alright, watch out now, watch out. Hey, watch out.
Take time and sit down for you now.
Box cover, this is TheDuttyBerry and welcome to another top 10 social media countdown. So let's get right into it.
The dirty are the berry, yeah, the juicy are the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the countdown coming soon. All the drama when you want, you fit tune into the youth. Like, yo, hey, box cover, uncover all the topics like a hymn name. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them something, me, what happening of the week, yo, just tune in, zine.
Number 10, Downtown Link Up, Mirungwaranga. Alright, so on the last social media countdown, I posted a video of this lady shooting her video downtown when she was, what would I say, interrupted by a person on the street. Alright, so since then the video went viral all over the place, so much so that I guess many people were just feeling, say, yo, that woman here, she need to give him a central spot in the music video. But it looked like so she took it a step further and met up with him downtown. You know, I hear that she's a pretty much, you know, relatively new artist and she goes by the name Hanky Panky. But this is how that reuniting thing went. Take a look.
Yo!
You remember me?
Where you remember from?
Where you remember me from?
Huh?
Yes,
Yes. How are you been on? Sativa! And it's a bum yard. Baby! Why not go down there? Pa, Sunday.
yeah, I'm black like
Selecta, Russia.
they're not.
This you don't feel right. Sativa, dynamite. Set. Okay, baby.
Well, alright, all's well that ends well. It's nice that she, you know, did that gesture for him because, you know, she never have to do it. Enough artists would have just ditched the brother and don't business about him at all, but it is definitely a good look. Big up, let me know what you thought about this video. Sound up below. Number 9, Shelly-Ann Scorches. My National Stadium. Alright, I find something. Alright, so Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce, she is the fastest woman alive right now. You know, so she won on the track some time ago in Jamaica with a time of 10.63 seconds. Honestly, the only other person who have a faster time, it is Flojo, and you still, you know, like a record there kind of, not really a set about, you know the strips, you know the strips. But anyway, so Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce is now the new women's national champion over the 100 meter after clocking a time of 10.71 seconds.
They're sent away. A good start for Ashanti Moore. Rella Williams gets up well. Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce now steps forward. The world champion has the better of the Olympic champion with Backlund, and then comes through.
Whoa, okay, alright, but guess what? That is not the big story. The big story is that post-interview that she did, and trust me, you know, like people, man, Jesus, babe. Shelly-Ann, she was speaking to Karen Man, big up yourself, Karen Man, and, you know, she managed to just kind of say a whole heap of things without really saying a whole heap of things directly.
Getting songs to finish is fast. So does Adriana Jackson.
Cries.
Yep, that's me.
Yeah, no, I'm a fast finisher. Yeah, man, but Shelly-Ann basically I said, she no business about nobody else, you know. She no business about nobody else, you know. Oh, yeah. I know, so she leave from MVP. MVP, where it have Elaine Thompson. You understand it? So, she was just, oh, the shade. Hopefully you understand all of that because I try to talk to no without really talking to no, but I know to get me.
Thompson, Hero third, 22.
Oh my God! Wow!
But anyway, congratulations, Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce. The women's team is just like really phenomenal. Sharika Jackson, how much forget you with a personal a PB of 10.77 seconds. We can't left out Elaine Thompson McCartney. Oh, God, man, I get used to Elaine and her new name. You know, honestly, Elaine and her new last name, it's going to take me a little time. So please, Elaine, I don't even remember it right now. Elaine Huey, or something. Please. Burritos, remind me of her new name. But anyway, congratulations, Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce. Big up yourself. Sound up in the comments where you have to think about the performances. Number 8, strong knee test. We make the stallion. Alright, so Burritos was in this video on Twitter and people may tell you this. So when girls are out on trips and vacations and them look a braff in here and them something here more want to see you do and post on the gram. So take a clip of some young ladies dancing to Make the Stallion's recent single called Fat Shite. And they were trying to show how powerful their knees were. But one member out of the crew, man. One member out of the crew was just not having it.
Something alright, yeah.
Alright, so Burritos like, please to let me know in the comments which one of your friends then would be the weak knee one in our crew. Just call out the name in the comment section right now. Call out your friend name.
Morning should have set up like when you go primary school. In a grade 6 where you get to pick your three, you know, your three school them for your choice. Because when me da born, you know, America was my first choice, you know. USA was my first choice. And me, England, me put England as my second choice. But it look like me fail or sitting. A place God placed me at Jamaica. They are suffer. I wonder if me can get a transfer. Me I look at transfer, you know.
Number 7, nice po-po, my JCF. Alright, Burritos, this is the feel-good video of the countdown. And I have to just say, honestly, you know, the police sometimes don't get a bad rap. And, you know, I just like when we can, you know, introduce these stories and talk about these stories that actually show the other side of the Jamaica Constabulary Force. Because when you have the bad, there is going to be some good apples in there. I will have to pick them up when we see them. So right now, I'm going to show you this clip.
You alright? Huh? You need it?
No. You see, I don't look at something here just warm my heart. It warm my heart to make it to see a nice feel-good story like this. Like, Burritos, one thing we have to say to this officer right now. Just say something nice and something kind to her to lift her spirit. Like how she lift her brother. Number 6, downtown disclaimer. Me banana chips. Alright, so Burritos, we see this video here on TikTok. I'm going to tell you, see, Jamaican TikTok is one of the, is a top tier TikTok. And so right now, I'm going to show this video of this woman basically talking about a disclaimer when you go downtown and try to buy things.
Few words to learn before you go Jamaica. Make sure you go down, you use them.
Teach him, yes, because this remind me of one time I carry one foreign picnic to Jamaica, you know. Anyway, one day we downtown I do some shopping and I walk up and down. See one man I sell some football. Here the man, $100 give the football, $100. So true, some football with the Jamaica flag pan it, the little boy say, want one. Anyway, we stop for buy the football. Hear the little boy no. Oh, I want the yellow one. You see from him hear the little boy's accent. Hear the man, you know, say, me I go look if me have no $100 one left because them one where me have just 5 bills for them one. I say, look you sir, no make me rude to you, you know. No make me rude to you. Me say as on the hear foreign accent so price gone up. Me say, look here, me a Jamaican and Jamaica me live. A babysit this a foreign picnic. Me say, little boy, tap your eyes. Yeah, don't come here, come beat me up. Yeah? Me say a babysit him na ramp with me. Me get the ball for $100 quick and fast. Why them so disgusting?
This this is 100% facts. So Burritos, let me know if you definitely agree with this lady or if you've ever been in a situation like this. Sound off below. Number 5, Ziddy holds on. Me bite back. Alright, so popular social media sensation Ziddy, you know, I mentioned him in last week's countdown and now he's back again because he was caught in a bit of a situation where he was traveling, via bike. He was no one riding the bike. He was a passenger on the bike. I know Jamaican people have some like ignorant kind of ways where if you're on a bike and you're frightened for dear life, at no point in time should you hold on to the male in front of you who's actually controlling the motorbike. Free.
This is exactly what I was afraid of.
I'm afraid I'm sick, I'm afraid to jump off them. One on, Giddy, one on. Hug you up, Giddy, hug you up.
You see when trouble catch you. Alright, I just forget it. You see when trouble catch you, picnic shot. You see when trouble. Jesus Christ, now. Miss Lou, Honorable Louis Benenco Valley, please do not be disappointed in me. You see when picnic shot. You see when trouble. You see when trouble catch you, picnic shot fit you. That's it. But anyway, so that is what Ziddy did him all on for dear life, and we commend him because some people are rather just drop on the ground and them just broken at two and just open up like I wanted to smash out breadfruit. But Diddy said no to that because as I tell you, Diddy smart. Him not as Diddy. Ziddy smart. Him not as as like how people might think. But for the men who are watching this right now, please to comment, would you have held on or would have just like rough it and reach a ground? So now below. Number 4, Auntie Nyamas. Minati Dread. Alright, so Burritos, like the video are kinda like a bit raunchy, but I'm gonna talk about it same way. So a woman came here, a tourist came here, and I guess she was on the beach, and at some point in time she started up a conversation with some of the some of the locals around her, and the conversation took to a turn after they started discussing eating rights. Take a look.
Get me out of Jamaica because these said they don't eat pussy and his lady don't respect him if he want him to eat pussy. Ziggy Marley, this why you paddling alone. Because you're not eating pussy. You rather stay here than eat pussy. Well, then you don't want a green card. Eat some pussy, you get a green card. Eat some pussy. Yeah.
No, I'm just doing a survey for the burritos that are watching right now. Where do you stand on eating rights? Can you say hi if you are supportive of that movement in the comment section? If you're watching the live, just say hi. If you don't believe so, then say nay. Right? So is it I or nay? So enough.
Say aye.
Right about now, it's time for the big up segment.
Well done. Before the girls them sexy and young. Run club, sing along. Well then, pick up the friend.
Alright, so right now on the big up segments, I have to go and big up my Budununu's Veronica Campbell-Brown on her retirement. She has stepped away from track, and I just can't wait to see what next she has in store. No, we can't forget that Veronica Campbell-Brown is our Olympic gold medal baby. We do not want to forget Beijing. We don't want to forget Athens. We can't forget these moments when Veronica Campbell-Brown was going up against Alisa Felix, and she brought that pride to so many Jamaicans. Long before we didn't have the Asafa them and you see it both the Shelly-Ann Fraser and Elaine Thompson, it was VCB, our sprinting superstar. So big you up and big up your family, and you have nothing to be ashamed of. You have an excellent track career, and we just can't wait to see what next you do with your life. Also, I forgot big up, dancehall artist Jada Kingdom on signing with Republic Records. The artist posted these images to her social media recently, and many of her fans were quite delighted and are, looking forward to see what next will happen in this young artist's career. Number 3, Amari, the vocalist. Miss Celine Dion. No, I don't know why I mention Celine Dion and Amari in the same sentence, but clearly I'm just hungry. I need something to eat right now because my cranium is not just cooperating. So anyway, so social, the Nico Mash Up My Life artist recently went viral again after she posted these videos of her singing in public, much to the of her Caucasian brothers and sisters.
You want me to sing for you?
Yes, we do. Sing that song.
You want me to sing Jesus? Yes, Jesus loves
just the
you.
way you were doing that.
That's beautiful. Can you help me?
Where's...
Alright, I will.
Wow.
Oh, thank you. Okay.
Oh, this is wonderful. What a gift.
The little boy will like to hear that too.
Yeah. Jesus loves me, this I know, for the Bible tells me so. Little ones to him belong. They are so weak, but he is strong. Yes, Jesus loves me. Yes, Jesus loves me. I say yes, Jesus loves me. The Bible tells me so. Sing along with me.
Okay.
Yes, Jesus loves me.
Yeah, Jesus loves
me. Yes, Jesus loves me.
To a go on in the world, I know. You better you go your best.
Okay, yes. I guess that's good because you're singing about God. So I'm just going to ignore whether or not the song did sound good and focus on the message.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
And you think she would stop there. She took it a step further with this another a cappella performance. Listen.
Rise. What we say? Rise.
Dirty Bongo.
Yeah. Rise, dirty bungo. Rise, dirty bungo. Rise, dirty bungo. Some girl leg up.
No, honestly, me give up. Me give up on Amari. Like, Amari. Burritos. One word for describe Amari voice. Sound off below. Number 2, Chad versus Ice Cream. Me YouTuber. Alright, burritos. So, how do I jump into this? So, there's a new YouTuber on the scene and he goes by the name of Chad Luchey. Now, Chad Luchey is a vlogger. He puts up pretty, entertaining vlogs and he's pretty consistent with it. So, I think he's been in the space for a little over a year, or may I get it right? Tell me if I'm wrong in the comments. But his latest video is what really has got him here on the social media countdown. Yeah, so recently he went to the dentist. I think he had an extraction, took out him wisdom teeth. I know when you go there, them kinda sedate you, and you know. So when you leave from it, you're kinda high, you're kinda all over the place because of the medication what them give you. And it looked like it hit him on a different level.
So I'm about to go into the surgery, the IV in, the heart rate, blood pressure, ready to go. Order me 3 set bitches to my head tonight.
No. You're going to just. No. Calm down. No.
I love ice cream. I love ice cream.
Okay.
Just one day, but when we first can't taste it, I am going to smell it no more and look at it even more. I must stare at look at it.
No, it's the whole entire fact that he kept on combining most of him start for ball, same love him fans, him start for ball, same love ice cream. Then he was just like talking about to his mother, that he wants 2 fat bitches to bring home some kind of The vlog was really good, honestly. Very nice. Please go and check it out and let me know what you think about it in the comment section down below.
Yo, you don't know a Prince Pine, and this is Duttyberry Top 10 Social Media Countdown, Make sure you watch it. Oh!
And number 1 goes to Julie Mango! My sentence, my paragraph, my essay, my biblioteca. Number 1 goes to Julie Mango's latest video. And there are too much to mention, so I'm just going to say our latest video because I'm going to have to do a countdown with all our videos, and they would have been the top 10. So I'm going to focus on the recent ones that I saw. Now, Julie Mango, she's a TikTok star right about now, and I'm just so fascinated with her. I look on her page, I think she said that she's a therapist, a psychologist of sorts, she's a teacher, she's a child of God, all of that. And it's just so fascinating how this woman has such a very keen eye to the Jamaican culture. There are certain things that she does, certain little details that she puts into it, where I just know, say, yo, the woman here is intelligent. So it is no surprise that she has a sort of come from a background where she listens and where she reads and where she educates herself. And so I'm going to show you one of her recent videos that she did, basically talking about how Jamaican news anchors speak.
Government's decision to not support the Venezuelan president. We begin this evening with a prime time news follow-up. The police commissioner issued a statement barring all persons in the Kingston. Also this evening, we have proof that Petrojam confirms. Effective today, flour prices increased by 11%. This compares to a 15% increase on counter flour in February. Up first this evening, a bombshell revelation in the Prime Minister urges business owners to think long term. We have more in this report. Too many rodents. Health officials lament on the and online at onesportmedia.com.
Julie just dig up the whole of TVJ and CVM right there. So RJR and the other group, them like radio everywhere just get mashed up with that oil. So also I'm gonna show you another one of her recent videos. Check it out.
Hey! Wait! Holy Ghost fire!
Burritos, you see why? You see exactly why I tell you, so you need to go and get caught up with Julie Mango. Follow her on TikTok all over where she is. Her content does not miss. Them don't sir, them don't boy, them don't girl, them everything by ABC Fast and Slow one time. I just saw it stay. Well, that is it, Burritos. We've come to the end of another social media top 10 countdown. I hope that you enjoyed the video. If you did, please to like the video, that is to give it a thumbs up. Also to turn on the post notifications. Do not forget to leave a comment down below. Let me know what was your favorite part of the countdown, as well as to share the video. Oh, and do not forget to subscribe. I'm trying to head to the 300,000 subscriber count. So please subscribe to the video and tell your friends and your family and everybody. If you want to follow me on my social media, it is at TheDuttyBerryShow on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, Snapchat, all over. And if you want to advertise within the social media countdown, just shoot me an email now to bookings.duttyberryshow@gmail.com. That is bookings.duttyberryshow@gmail.com. Okay, take care until next time.
The dirty are the berry, yeah, the juicy are the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the countdown coming soon. All the drama what you want, you fit tune into the youth. Like, yo, hey, box cover, cover all the topics like a hymn name. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them something, yo, what happening of the week, yo, just tune in, zine.